So, we got these chewing fidgets in the mail. And now we're gonna test them out. So first we got Legos, we got star badges, and shark tooths. Okay, now let's open these. First, we're gonna try out the Lego. Good chewing. It's also very hard though, because it's hard rubber. Okay, very hard too. Last but not least, we got the shark tooth. You choose this one. Last place is the star badge. Second place, the Lego. And first place, the shark tooth. I'm going back to this one.